What if you could teach your computer to spot one of the oldest and most reliable trend-following signals in trading? Today, we're coding a golden cross strategy that automatically fetches live data and decides when to buy or sell, all using Python and the MetaSync API. The rule is simple. When the short-term trend, a 50-period moving average, crosses above the long-term trend, a 200-period moving average, it's a buy signal, a golden cross. When it crosses below, it's a sell signal, a death cross. Let's code it. We'll need two key libraries: requests library to call our API, and Pandas, the powerhouse for data analysis in Python, to calculate our moving averages. Import Pandas, datetime, request. First, we set up our connection details. Remember to paste your own RapidAPI key here. Our strategy needs historical data to calculate the moving averages. Let's write a function that calls the tick endpoint multiple times to build a list of recent prices. This function builds our dataset. We fetch ticks one by one, storing the bid price and its timestamp. The smaller the time.sleep prevents us from making requests too quickly. Let's run this first. Success! It fetched 250 ticks. Now for the core logic. We need to calculate the 50 and 200 moving averages and check if they've just crossed. Let's break this down. We use Pandas to calculate the rolling means. The magic happens in the if/elif statements. We just don't check which moving average is larger, but we check it they had crossed. Now, let's create a simple loop that continuously checks for new data and looks for our trading signal. The loop starts with fetching initial data. Next, update our dataset. Append new data over old ones. Set the time.sleep, in my case, 10 seconds. Let's run it. The bot fetches its initial data and then starts checking every 10 seconds. It prints the current value of the moving averages in the signal. Right now, it's saying, hold, because the short MA is below the long MA, and no cross has been detected. If a cross happens, it will print a loud buy or sell signal. The final step, which we've commented out, would be to send that order to MetaTrader using MetaSync's order_send endpoint. And there you have it. You've just built the core logic of a classic trading algorithm. What you built: live data fetcher from MT5, moving average calculator, crossover detection logic, and continuous trading loop. To turn this into a live bot, you'd need to add the order execution code and much more robust error handling and logging. If you want a deep dive on how to safely send orders with the API, let me know in the comments by asking for the order execution tutorial. Thank you. Code in description. Subscribe to the channel.